morning, children. In the previous class, we saw how to find area and perimeter of a rectangle and a square. Also, we learnt how to find the area by counting the squares. So now let us solve few problems based on that. Okay. Look at the question. Find the area of the given shapes by counting the squares. C56. What shape is this? Triangle. So let us count how many full squares are here. Okay. So full squares 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So this is 6 centimeter square. Then half squares 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. So this is 4 centimeter square. Is there any squares more than half? No. Okay. So that's it. Now total area is equal to 6 plus 4 is how much? 10 centimeter square. That's all. Okay. Coming to the next question. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 full squares. Okay. So full squares equal to 4. So that is 4 centimeter square. Next half squares 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. So half squares 8. So that is again 4 centimeter square. Yes or no? Half plus half is 1. So 2 halves is making 1. So 8 halves will make 4. Right? Yes. So next see this. This is like if a square is like this is half of the square. And each part is quarter of a square. So this. All this 4 are quarter of a square. Okay. So quarter squares is equal to 4. So this is equal to, so 4 quarters will make 1, right? So 1 centimeter square. So total area is how much? 4 plus 4, 8 and 8 plus 1 is 9 centimeters square. Is it clear for all of you? Now let us look into the next question. C58. Can you see this figure? So here how many full squares are given? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes. So full squares is 4. So this is same as 4 centimeter square. Then any half squares? No. Any squares with more than half? Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4. So more than half? How many? 4. So this will give you full square. It is considered as full squares, right? So 4 centimeter square. And the total area is 4 plus 4, 8 centimeters square. Is it clear for all of you? The next topic of today's class is triangles. Okay? Can you see the given figure? There is a rectangle given and we have two triangles A and B in this. Okay? So see this. This is one triangle and this is one more triangle. Okay? So they are A and B. Now what is the question? The triangle A is half of the given rectangle. Find its area. Okay? So how will you find it? Look here. First we have to find the area of the rectangle. So it is easy for us to find the area of the rectangle, right? Yes, because length of the rectangle is the number of squares along its length. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that is 5 centimeters. Okay. So how many squares are there along its breadth? 4. So breadth of the rectangle is 4 centimeters. Okay. So then what is the area? So area is equal to length into breadth, that is 5 into 4, so that is 20 centimeters square. Is it clear? So this is the area of the rectangle, but what is asked in the question, we have to find the area of the triangle A. Okay, so that is half of rectangle. So area of A triangle is half of 20, that is, what is half of 20? 10 centimeters square. Is it clear? Next question, complete the given shape such that its area is 10 square centimeter. So this is the given figure. Okay. Now we have to complete this figure so that the closed figure has an area of 10 square centimeter. Okay. So here how many full squares are there? 2 full squares. How many half squares are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 half squares are there. So what is this area actually? Till now it is 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Join this line. I join this with this end. Okay. So how? Look here. So you can make use of your scale, and you can, with help of your scale, you can draw the neat line. Okay. You can start counting the squares. Okay. Look here. I already counted till this as 4, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. Now start counting from here. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And all these are less than 1 square. Sorry, less than half square. Okay. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 full squares. 1, 2, 3, more than half. So this is equal to 3 full squares. Okay. So 6, 7, 8. Okay. Then these two will make 9 and these two will make 10. So totally the area is 10. So one more way is there for drawing. So this is a 5 to 5 grid. So you will make 5 columns and 5 rows. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay. Now already the given figure is looking in this way. Okay. Now I join it here like this. Okay. And here also you will join it like this. Okay. So here you have how many full squares? 1, 2. That's all. Okay. So already here we had 4. Here 5, 6. And how many squares? Any half squares are here? No. How many squares more than half? 1, 2, 1, 2, 4. So 4. So totally 4 plus 2, 6 and plus 4, 10. So 10 square centimeters. That's all for today's class. Thank you.